Welcome to another AvePoint bite-sized tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Entra ID, a part of our resilience package. First, let's connect your Microsoft 365 tenant. To do so, from the landing page, navigate to Management and then Tenant Management and connect tenant. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 Global Administrator so that you can grant access. After successfully connecting the tenant, the next thing we want to make is our app profile. To do so, we're going to head over to App Management and we're going to hit Create at the top. Entra ID is nestled under Cloud Backup for infrastructure and platform as a service. You then have the option to either create a modern mode app profile or a custom mode custom Azure app. The custom mode I only recommend if you really need limited permissions, granular limited permissions when you're setting this up. Otherwise, we always recommend modern mode. Continuing with the consent to the applications, we specifically need the cloud backup for Azure app. And consent will take you to the page that asks for all the different permissions for our application, where you can hit accept. Once completed, we're able to go back to our dashboard and click on Cloud Backup for infrastructure and platform. Once you are on the landing page, you want to click on Backup, and here you should have all of the different workload and licensed object types that you have available for backup. Here you can see I only have Microsoft Entra ID. When you click into the module, you can see on the top right there is a Create button. We're going to create the profile and scope our backup. The scope is up to you. Select what you would like to back up. Please note, if you press on specific items, you'll have a follow-up screen asking you to define the conditions for those specific items. This works like any other of our filter policies that we have set up in our tools. Here, I have it set to search for departments that contain sales or departments that contain support. You can also switch it to and, so it's both and sales and support, indicating that only users that have both would be added. On the following screen, you have a few customization options. What I want to pull your attention to is the storage profile. If you have storage with AvePoint, you don't have to worry about this step, but if you do have bring your own storage, please make sure to navigate to settings, storage profile, and put it in your storage so it can be used for this application. After that, we want to configure how often this backup is run. You can select from days, hours, weeks, or months, and the retention policy on how long you wish to keep that data. Again, weeks, months, and years. After that, you'll get a quick little overview, and then clicking save will run a quick check to see if you have the required app profile and any other permissions for the workloads that you've selected. If you selected a workload that requires an additional step, in this case the service account, you'll get a little blurb that tells you what will not be protected if you don't have that specific item. So you see here we have the Exchange Administrator role and the app profile. You can choose to ignore this item or to go back and take that item out of backup, or to enable that service account. The service account is pretty simple to set up. We want to head back to the Confidence platform and select that service account option under the app management section. We're going to hit create and we're going to create the new profile here. The most specific part is we want to make sure that we select it for the service, specifically infrastructure and platform. Once you're all scoped, your backup will automatically run based on that schedule that you provided, or you can just hit run backup now if you wanted to kick it off right away. And then as always, you can head over to the job monitor to keep track of the progress of that job.
Continue your learning journey. Scan the QR code for step-by-step instructions on AvePoint Learn. And for more practical tips and product walkthroughs, subscribe to our YouTube channel